Discover Smith's Interconnects Ka Connectors series. The Ka Connectors series family is designed and developed for rugged applications in the defense, aerospace, and commercial aviation markets. It has gained a reputation for reliability under a variety of extreme environmental conditions. Ka series supports high current rating, low contact resistance, and minimal insertion and extraction forces while resisting high shock and vibration environment. High reliability Ka series MIL-DTL-55302 compliant connectors offer signal contacts designed for demanding defense, commercial aerospace, and space applications. The 2 and 3 row series are compliant to MIL-DTL-55302 and offer flexibility not available with other interconnects. The 4 and 5 row versions are also available and offer up to 490 contacts. They were designed as high-reliability printed circuit board connectors, offering pin counts from 17 to 490 contacts, which are widely used in defense, commercial aerospace, and space applications. Visit smithsinterconnect.com to learn more.